There are two types of adjectives in Japanese, i-adjectives and na-adjectives. This video explains which adjectives are i-adjectives and which are na-adjectives. You will need to know the difference because the conjugation is different depending on the type of adjective. For example, in English, adjectives do not conjugate. Let's see some examples. The apple is red. The apple isn't red. The apple was red. The apple wasn't red. The red doesn't change its form. Let's see the Japanese version. あのリンゴは赤い。あのリンゴは赤かった。あのリンゴは赤くない。あのリンゴは赤くなかった。As you can see in Japanese, the adjective akai itself does change form. I-adjectives are adjectives whose dictionary forms end with I. For example, 大きい、小さい、多い、新しい、おいしい、安い。The other adjectives are na-adjectives. They are called na-adjectives because when they are placed in front of nouns, you need to add hiragana na. For example, genki is a na-adjective because when it is put in front of nouns such as hito, it looks like this. Genki na hito. While i-adjectives such as ookii don't need to change anything when they precede nouns. Ookii hito. Here are some basic na-adjectives. 静か、にぎやか、好き、きれい、有名。As you may have noticed, there are several na-adjectives that end with I. You will just need to memorize them, but remember that the adjectives that end with ei, ei sound are always na-adjectives, just like きれい and 有名. Lastly, I is an irregular one because it doesn't follow the general conjugation rules, so you will just have to memorize that separately. So these are types of Japanese adjectives. As I mentioned, knowing which one is which is very important when it comes to conjugation. I will tell you how to do that in a different video. ではまた。